Yo,
we back again with another DDG video, man.
Back.
That last one was tough.
Back like 80s crack.
The last one was super tough, DDG.
Shout out to DDG, man. Shout out to the whole DDG fam.
This video is called
Big Boat.
We already know the song.
Yeah.
You know, we know the song, but we didn't watch the video.
Yeah.
So it's our first time watching the video. We know the song. We listened to the song back when he released just the song, not the video.
And actually, I don't really know the song. I just watched the B-Lou reaction. So it's both of our first time watching the video for itself. So
yeah, let's get it poppin'. Let's see what this video about.
Let's see what you talking about, man.
Let's see what you talking about.
SKT, DDG, that's always. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Woke up playing, you know you offended me. Iced out and my neck look like Pete. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
Hey, put the buffies up, man.
Fuck yes. I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking.
Yeah.
Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga base. You don't know me,
You gonna know me today.
Harley. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Bitch, I'm gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies on my card. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks. You only poppin' because this say like Fox. You don't know me while you boosting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, you poppin' middle fingers to your ego. Take for album, but you know it should be free though. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Woke up playing, you know you offended me. Iced out and my neck look like Pete.
Yeah.
You don't know me,
Yeah, you do it every
nigga,
time.
we gon' see. I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma beat your Joe Button.
Bust down, roll.
DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking.
Yeah.
Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga base.
Look at this
You
screen.
don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Yeah. That's what's going on.
This was turnt, boy. Boy, turnt in the back of the big body leg, bro. Big body leg. This man got on the lace.
That's that Javinci shit.
Hey, DDG, he always lit, man. Like
Yeah, he
that's
lit,
one thing I
man.
can say about him. Whatever he do,
He
he
lit.
always live. Like he always got great energy.
He
So
lit.
if you looking for somebody who got great energy, subscribe to us. You know what I mean? Then subscribe to DDG because
Yeah, go subscribe,
he
man.
lit,
He
dude.
real
Shout out to
lit.
DDG. Shout out to the DDG fam again.
Yeah,
You know?
and if y'all want to watch the original video, it's in the description.
As
You know,
always.
make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get back to y'all. You know, make sure y'all
Facts.
comment on video y'all want us to watch too. And it's WDB.
WDB.
Yeah.